Beautiful day in Carson City.
Yeah, right. What's going on today, boys? We got a Peanuts Airlift V2 manifold here. As you all know, they all leak, and pretty much all of them become leaking.
You know it.
So we got this nice little recovery kit, little rebuilders from Only Charged Dubs. Sent this over from the UK. It's like $50 to rebuild your whole manifold shipped if you don't pay 2-day shipping like this guy did, and you get effed because it's across the country. So,
yeah, get it a month later, you know, it's all good.
Pretty much what you're going to start out with, you're just going to use a flathead screwdriver, a hammer, a pick tool, and then I have a punch. Yeah, there it is. And then a punch right here. And we're just going to basically get these manifolds down to a bare shell. You want to come in here and show them this one? Get them in there. And then, yeah. We'll go from there. So yeah, we'll knock this first one out, or I guess the third one for us. Oh yeah, and don't be scared, because this is scary. You'll see it crush in, keep going, and then pop the bad boy out. So you can see it comes, the push lock comes out with it. You rip out all the brass, everything. So next, you're gonna take your punch. It's gonna be pretty hard to show you on camera, but there's a very, very small, like, serration in this. It's kind of like an O-ring, a snap ring, a C-clip. And there's one little line in it you're gonna have to find, which ours looks like it's right here. So here, take this panetti, grab your punch, crush it in, and then pull that out. And then you're gonna have to slide. We found that if you like bite it and spin it, it's kind of the best way. And an upward motion because you're trying to get it to come out. Goes. And then once you get the top, grab your pliers. Yoink. So yeah, it's a little ugly. It's nothing too crazy. Got a little bit of a sandpaper here to clean up the edge so the seal goes in. But we'll be back to you after we rip these all out and start rebuilding. Alright, we got all the old cartridge push lock fittings out. I'm just using a little bit of dielectric grease so the O-ring doesn't seize or get all cut up on the way in. And sorry, I dropped my rag on the ground. Got a socket that fits over the actual plastic push lock and then onto the brass so you don't snap the push lock housing. So we're gonna start, just pop them in, nice and easy because we put the lube on there. Go over to your vise, loosen them up a little bit. This is about just as scary as the first part where you hit it with a hammer. See, it'll slowly but surely go in. As soon as it bottoms out, back it out. You do not want to crush the housing. Voila. Do that for 3 more and then we'll get back to you.
Come back to him.
See, and there we are, completely rebuilt. All of them still nice and nice and free in there still. So sweet. Leave a link in the description so you guys can buy the rebuild chargers from them. And then yeah, it's pretty straightforward. As you can see, we're pretty much doing it with some tools and a vise. So thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, like, subscribe, stay tuned. Lost Boys out.